You can start now.
Okay. Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we are together here to upgrade ourselves from the behalf of Weekend Institute. And I thank Mr. Prakash sir and all the participants who join us. And personally, I thank to you, Mr. Prakash sir, who gave me the chance for hosting this show today. So let's kick off our show. First of all, I welcome Mr. Ashok Maurya to give welcome speech. Ashok Maurya, I invite you, please, Ashok Maurya.
Yeah. Thank you, Pankaj sir. I request to Mr. Prakash sir that please give permission to share my screen.
Okay, now you can share your screen. Yeah, Ashok Maurya, you can share. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Is it visible now? Hello. Is
Yeah.
it visible?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
yes,
visible.
yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Ashok Maurya.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, it is
We
visible.
We can
see.
see.
Is it
But your
visible,
voice
sir?
just yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, carry
Visible,
on.
visible.
It's visible. Now you can speak.
Sorry.
Who is going to
Okay,
speak?
sir. So, welcome. Welcome all of you.
Okay.
Sorry, network issue.
Okay, maybe
Network.
there is a network issue. So, thank you, Ashok Maurya. So, let's start our show. So, I want to share something new. I want to engage you all with some technical sounds. Are you ready to go with that?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, we are surrounded by very much technology here, and we are surrounded by lots of electronic gadgets. I want to ask you one question. A small gadget near us, very closer to us, you can tell me the name of this gadget? Can you please?
Me?
Mobile phone.
Mobile.
Yes.
Yeah.
iPhone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's,
I
that's
have
very right.
Smartphone first.
Yeah, you all are
rather than
absolutely
this.
correct.
I have fan.
So, okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much to all. So, let's brief a mobile phone. If I want to talk to anybody, for example, I want to talk to Yogesh Mishra. I just take out my phone and dial the number, and in within a second, I connect with Yogesh Mishra. Okay, that is mobile for us. That is communication for us. But did you think what happening behind this screen? What happening behind this scenario? How mobile works? Do you know that? No. So let's discuss. Okay, let's discuss how mobile
Yes,
works.
I know. Mr. Rajkumar Jaiswal, I know this.
Okay, so this is your chance. Please speak a little. Hello?
Yeah. Actually, if you want to, yeah, I'm speaking. Are you able to listen?
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Your question is
Yes,
how
yes,
to
yes, you are
mobile is
audible.
going to communicate. Your question
Yeah.
is how two mobiles are going to communicate with each other. Actually, for example, one mobile
Yes,
is
yes.
sender and one is receiver. In between, we have
Okay.
in between one mobile. First of all, we have to set up in our mind for any communication we need one antenna, and for sending also we need one antenna, and for receiving end also we need one antenna. In the middle, we have the tower.
Okay.
In that tower we use different technology like GSM technology. In the GSM technology, what is there? Whatever the message we are texting with our mobile, that mobile will go to the surrounding according to your operator. It will search the tower, mobile tower, whatever the tower in that range there, in your frequency range, whatever the tower is there, with your operator, it will communicate. It will go, first of all, it will go to that tower. After that, for example, I am in Kolkata, or I am in UP district, I am in Kolkata district. Then in Kolkata district, in Kolkata, we have some small town. Then in a small town, we have one tower. Means we have BSc, and after that we have MSc in basic level. And we in communication we have segregated in three parts. From sender to receiver, first of all, it is called BSA. BSA means from your mobile to your surrounding, whatever the tower is there, that's called basic system. Basic BSA, basic tower, means your tower is there surrounding your system, that's called BSA. After the BSA, in district level, whatever the tower is there, that's called BSC. After BSC, in your whole district, means it is going out of your district, that's called MSC. And all branches going to the GA module. In this way, we are going to communicate. Hello?
Okay.
Hello.
Thank you, Rajkumar. So, sir, I want to.
Wait, Pankaj Jaipur, whatever we are speaking, first of all, it is converting with the help of the transducer, it is converting in electrical signal. We use the transducer. Whatever voice is speaking, it is converting in the electrical signal by using the transducer. After the transducer, we have the sender antenna. The antenna will send the message to the receiver mobile. Receiver mobile having the antenna, it will receive, and another again it will having the transducer, and that transducer will convert your whatever you are speaking in the voice signal. This is the
Okay.
briefly explanation
Okay.
how
Hello, Pankaj sir.
communicate with each other.
Hello.
This is
Rajkumar,
Yeah, sir.
excuse me. So once again, I invite Ashok Maurya because he prepared lots of today. So sorry, I again
Sorry,
invite.
sir. Yeah, sir. Due to this network issue, means I was disconnected. So I'm trying once again.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Ashok Maurya, please go for your welcome speech.
Okay. So it is visible to all of you.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So I welcome you all. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you present here. My special gratitude to Mr. Prakash sir for providing such a wonderful platform to enrich our skills. I feel honored to welcome all members of this session for taking a keen part in this session. I am sure that all will feel enriched with knowledge after completion of this session. I welcome you all once again and hope all will have a great time ahead. Now, today's host is Mr. Pankaj sir. So it's over to Pankaj sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, great work.
Nice,
Ashok.
nice presentation.
Nice. Maria. Very
good.
nice.
Okay.
Well
Thank you, ma'am.
done.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ashok Maurya. This is very creative
Yeah.
activity you have done here, and let's kick off our show. So, sir, I request you, Prakash sir, give me the permission of sharing something.
Yeah, I have already given the permission. Yeah.
Okay. Wait a minute. It is visible.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
So this is a structure how mobile works behind the screen. First of all, one person who dialed a number. When we talk, when we give a type of bundle voice to our phone, there is a microphone. It converts our voice into digital form. It means it converts our voice into 1 or 0 form. Okay. Then there is an antenna in our cell phone. You all know that. I want to share one more thing. By this, we can understand very well. Okay. It is visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So this is a block diagram. Here in right side, mobile 1. Okay. This is a caller. Caller gives the sound to mobile 1. It means there is a microphone who converts our voice into a digital form, like 0 and 1 form. Okay. And it gives the digital sign to our antenna it present in phone. This antenna transmits the signal, converting the signal into electrowaves and transmit in the air. Okay. A tower which presents near mobile 1, it's receiving the electromagnetic signal, and it sends the signal to MSC. Here one more unit, MSC. MSC means it is a type of unit like a switching unit. Okay. And third one is this MSC sends the signal again to tower number 2. It's near the receiver, and the tower number 2 sends the electromagnetic waves to mobile number 2nd, and the second number mobile's antenna receive that signal and convert into again digital form, and the microphone, then the digital signal convert and go to the speaker, and this voice come to us. This is very simple way how mobile works. Okay. Now
Wait,
let's
Pankaj,
come.
sorry to interrupt you, Pankaj.
Okay.
Yes. Actually, you will never feel, you can't never feel or never transmit, you can transmit the digital signal, but you are never, you are not able to listen the digital signal. Always you will listen the analog signal. This is a very big mistake. Never you will never ever you are able to listen the digital signal. Always digital signal will be on the air, but when you are going to receive the signal, always it would be analog nature. Have you ever listened, if I'm speaking with you with phone, have you listened it is coming in discrete way, like hi, after that it is coming after a long time? No, never. It is the very default technology. Whatever you are speaking, always you have to listen the any signal in the analog nature, but when you are sending a signal in the air, it is coming into the digital form. That to digital also you have to transmit with the help of cosine and sine signal. It's a big technological
No.
wrong term you are using.
I didn't get you. Actually, what you want to say? You
Actually,
mean
what I am
transmit
saying,
the wave? Yes.
yes, whenever you are getting the signal in the receiver end, always you will get
Okay.
the analog signal. The signal nature
Analog
is
signal.
always
Okay.
analog. Yes, but
Okay.
when you are going to
Then
the from one tower to a MSC, it is coming, it is the digital signal. From MSC to
okay.
another tower, it is going, it is the digital signal. But the signal will come to your mobile, that is also digital signal. But with the help of the some equipment, we change the digital signal into analog signal. That signal only you are able to listen. Never you will listen the digital signal. Pure.
There is a
Always you
there is a unit
when we are
inside the
speaking.
mobile.
When we are speaking.
Hello.
Yes.
There is a unit
Yes, you
inside
can
the
speak, I am able to
mobile.
listen.
There is a unit inside the mobile.
Yes,
Antenna, the receiver antenna capture the signal in it is formed in digital. Okay, you are very right. But there is a unit inside the
Yes,
receiver and inside the mobile. It converts into the analog and send it to our speaker. Then it converts into the voice form. That I mean. It is correct?
Yes. Voice form means it is the analog nature. Never it would be digital
Yes,
nature. Voice means
but
it is the
I will come here because it is only a block diagram. I will go through briefly here. Okay.
but
Okay, Mr. Rajkumar Jaiswal, it's a language classroom, okay?
Yes, sir. But
We are not from
no,
engineering field, that's why
yeah.
let it go.
That's why I don't want to go very briefly because I have lots of matter to discuss here. Okay. So this is very simple phenomena to work how mobile works behind the screen. I think a little bit part you engage with here. Have you any questions to all of you? I ask to all of you. Hello.
No, continue.
No.
We are
No, sir.
getting
We
information
continue.
only.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
We are trying to
Okay.
understand.
Can we
We are
continue?
trying to understand.
Okay, so there is three questions when we call to for example when I call to Mr. Nageshwar sir. Okay, so sometimes it says Nageshwar is not reachable. What it means? You know why it come? Because signal is going in the air, signal captured by MSC switching the signal, and receiver is not present. In this case, MSC searching the tower where Nageshwar is present right now, but he is not. MSC is not able to search Nageshwar. In this case, the MSC revert us. The Nageshwar is not reachable. This is only the reason when we call to another person. Sometimes it says this. You want to speak. It is not reachable. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Same with busy tone and same with sometimes we switch off our mobile, then MSC search. If our mobile is switch off, then it reply to caller. The mobile is switch off. So this is the simple way how mobile works from my side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So this is some technical part of my class. Then you all know that I am very funny guy, so I always use some fun in any learning point. Okay. So my question to all, you all are watching Bollywood movies? You all are watch Bollywood movies?
Yes.
So today we
Bollywood,
take,
Hollywood, South Indian.
yeah. So today we take some Bollywood dialogues for learning or increase our English. Okay. So first of all, I give you a dialogue in Hindi. You have to convert this dialogue in English. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So today, first time we speak in Hindi because we want to do something new. Okay. So first of all, I want to go to Nageshwar sir. Sir, here is a dialogue.
Hello. I will try, but I will try. You can.
Okay, yeah, sure. So
Yes.
here is a dialogue.
Okay.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह. Please translate into English.
Again, please, again.
रिश्ते में
same
तो हम
dialogue I
तुम्हारे
was
बाप
thinking.
लगते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह.
Once again, please.
The dialogue is from Shahenshah movie, delivered by Amitabh Bachchan. It is रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह.
Sir,
Sorry,
you are
sir, I
lucky.
didn't
It's
understand.
easy, but
Yeah. Sorry,
I think
I
he is not
didn't-
able to understand Hindi. That's why.
Yes.
Yeah, yes,
Okay,
sir,
okay.
yes.
Okay, so
Yeah.
no,
This is
no,
the
no
thing.
worries, sir.
This is the main thing.
Nageshwar
I
sir.
tried, but I couldn't.
Yeah, sure, please try.
Okay. No, sir, I didn't understand. It's okay. You can ask
Okay,
someone.
okay. I translate it into English, and you have to translate it into your mother tongue. Okay, after me.
That's
Okay.
good.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Okay, fine.
The dialogue is, I'm your dad in relation, and name is Shahenshah.
Okay.
Okay, so translate
Okay,
in your mother tongue.
Yeah. నేను మీ నాన్నను నా పేరు మెహన్షా అర్థమైందా సో ఇది ఐ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ నేను మీ నాన్నను నా పేరు మెహన్షా
Yes,
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 sir,
Nagesh.
yes, sir.
It's interesting, but we didn't understand.
understand.
You can,
Okay.
Ashok Maurya, you can understand in English also. Okay, he mean to say,
Yeah.
Okay.
I am your dad in
Yeah.
relation, and then
Yeah, yeah,
Shahenshah.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, very
Yeah.
nice,
Okay.
sir. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so next, I want to go to Yogesh Mishra, sir. So, your dialogue is, मुझ पे एक एहसान करना कि मुझ पे कोई एहसान ना करना.
So this is the translation class then.
Yes.
Do one favor for me, never favor to me, like that.
Yes.
Okay. So Yogesh Mishra, where are you from basically?
I am originally from the UP, but now I live in Mumbai.
So you have to translate this in your mother tongue.
So it would be very, very funny.
No. I told you earlier, it will be very funny class today.
Okay.
So please try.
How to say
Sir, we
that?
would like to listen your language.
I said Ashok Maurya can do more.
No, sir. I also don't know Bhojpuri. It's similar to Bhojpuri, I think.
Yes. My mother tongue is
Because
also Bhojpuri.
Okay,
because in Varanasi.
wait a minute. Mr. Pankaj, please arrange one more thing today. They all will speak in their mother tongue, one line like this. Mother tongue also.
Yeah, sure.
Hindi and mother tongue also.
Mother.
So we will listen Malayalam,
Yeah,
Assami.
that sounds great.
Sir, I want to add one more thing. If you want, then you can also deliver your mother tongue dialogue also.
Yeah.
Like if you want to deliver a Bhojpuri film dialogue, so you can.
Okay.
Sir, dialogue Ravi Kishan. We have the one dialogue of Ravi Kishan, who is very famous. Like Zindagi Jandba Fir Bhi Ghamandba.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so
Okay, very nice, very nice.
excuse me, Mr. Pankaj, I want to give you one dialogue in Hindi like that is in the South Indian tone. कहाँ से लिया इतना बकवास dictionary?
Okay, so it is.
Chennai
I
Express.
have taken this from my rubbish mind, sir.
Yeah, who can translate this one in
Where
English?
did you where did you bring from that? Correct?
Yeah,
Dialogue.
I'm thinking.
That's
I thought from my rubbish mind, sir.
Okay, okay. I understood now. Prakash sir dialogue I understood. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I want to go our next contestant, Anuj. Are you ready?
Yes, I will try.
Yeah, sure. So my next Bollywood dialogue is, एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता.
Once I commit, I don't listen myself. Once I commit anything, I don't listen myself. So I don't change my decision.
Okay, so Mr. Anuj,
In
speak,
Telugu, Mahesh
deliver the
Babu-
dialogue like dialogue, okay, not like sentence. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
If I just repeat in Hindi again, I forgot.
Anuj, first you can speak in Hindi, then translate it into English. Okay. So my dialogue was, and my dialogue is, एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता. Please deliver in Hindi first and then English.
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता.
Yeah.
Translate it into English.
Okay. So once I decide anything, I don't change my decision.
Okay, very nice. We can tell this also. Once I commit to something, after that I don't even listen to myself.
This is in Telugu Mahesh Babu, the hero Mahesh Babu's dialogue. ఒక్కసారి కమిట్ అయితే నా మాట నేనే వినను. Yeah.
Superb. So, Mr. Anuj, one last sentence I want to deliver from you. This dialogue you have to deliver in your mother tongue. Same dialogue.
Actually, my mother tongue is Hindi. If you will speak, I will speak also in Hindi.
Ask this dialogue to, Papiya, then Subhasri, then Rajkumar Jaiswal. They are from...
Okay. So, okay, I'll go to again, and thank you, Anuj. You delivered very nicely.
Welcome.
So next, I want to go to Nityanand. Okay, Nityanand, are you ready? I think Nityanand is not here. Okay. So let's go to Geeta ma'am. Geeta ma'am, are you ready? Are you here?
I will try.
Yeah. Actually, personally, I want to listen from Geeta ma'am because I like Geeta ma'am's accent also. So for you, Geeta ma'am, there is a dialogue. Basanti.
No, she can't understand Hindi.
एक बार और. Once more.
Okay. Basanti. Okay. Basanti, इन कुत्तों के सामने नहीं नाचना, मत नाचना.
बसंती, इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना.
Yes.
Okay. Basanti, you don't dance in this in front of these dogs.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah,
Correct, absolutely. Okay.
Oh, congrats.
So, ma'am, at last, we want to listen this dialogue in your mother tongue.
Malayalam.
Basanti, നീ ഈ പട്ടികളുടെ മുൻപിൽ ഡാൻസ് ചെയ്യണ്ട, നൃത്തം ചെയ്യണ്ട. ബസന്തി, നീ ഈ പട്ടികളുടെ മുമ്പിൽ നൃത്തം ചെയ്യണ്ട.
Okay. Very nice, ma'am. Give
Okay,
up a big
thank
hand
you.
for. Okay. Do you all like this activity or not?
Yeah,
Yes,
interesting.
I like.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very
I like.
interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Mr. Anuj, we
Okay,
are
right,
listening different languages today. Hindi is very common, but today we are listening some different languages.
Okay. So Nityanand, are you ready?
Yeah, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. So for you all know what activity is going on here?
Yeah, I just got. Yeah, sir. But sometimes
Okay.
I got some network issue. That's why I just. Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay, sir.
there is a small dialogue for you. Here a dialogue. मेरा नाम मेरी पर्सनालिटी को सूट करता है. Dash 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 चुलबुल पांडे. Okay. So
My
please
name.
try it in English.
Okay. My name. Yeah, my name is. My name. So difficult, sir. Yeah.
Yeah,
मेरा
if
नाम
you
सूट
try,
करता है.
you can.
Yeah, could you repeat that again, sir, for me?
Yeah. मेरा नाम मेरी पर्सनालिटी को सूट करता है. नाम है चुलबुल पांडे.
My name is adjustable with my personality. My name is Chulbul Pandey. Yeah, sir.
Sorry,
Okay.
Nityanand. No.
Yeah.
You should say like my name suits my personality.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
name is the name is Chulbul Pandey.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
You can also say my name suits my personality. The name is Nityanand.
Okay.
Okay. So please try again.
Okay, sir. So my name, sir. Could you repeat that again?
Yeah, my name suits my personality, and the name is Nityanand.
My name is suit. Okay. My name is suit my personality. My name is Nityanand.
Okay, very nice, Nityanand.
Okay,
so,
sir.
Nityanand, basically, okay, yeah, right. Nityanand, basically, you are from from
West Bengal.
West Bengal. West
Bengal. Okay. Yes. So you have to speak. You have to deliver this dialogue in your mother tongue. Hello, Nityanand. I think there is a network issue. I think with Nityanand, right? Hello. Can we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he is stuck.
Yeah, carry on. We have 2 minutes left.
Okay, only 2 minutes left. So, okay, there is one more dialogue. I want to go to Papiya Saha. Papiya, are you here?
Yes, sir. Yes, I am here.
Okay, for you, a dialogue. A dialogue is, मेरे बारे में ज्यादा मत सोचो, मैं दिल में आता हूँ, समझ में नहीं.
Okay. So don't think of myself too much. I come in the heart, not in the mind. Is it right?
Yeah, bilkul. I mean, very right. Please translate in your mother tongue.
আমার সম্পর্কে বেশি ভেবো না, আমি হৃদয়ে আসি, মাথায় নয়.
Very nice, very nice.
Nice
Okay,
Bengali language.
Yeah. So I think very less time for this session. So over to Prakash sir. Please wind up this session. Then we will come back in our next session.
So really we enjoyed, or we are enjoying, not we enjoyed, we are enjoying a lot now. And let's have a break for 5 minutes. Okay. Then again, we will have some more interesting thing from Mr. Pankaj. So let's enjoy in the second session.
Sure, sir.
Okay, to be continued.
Hmm.